Got my waffle. Got 2 poached eggs with my fork. One of my chargers stopped working. Luckily, I have another one. I'm gonna try the poached eggs first. I ate that whole egg. Salt, pepper, Frank's chili and lime. I got my waffle here. Oh man. I'm gonna mash the butter up and spread the butter evenly. I haven't had a waffle in a long time. There's a square in the middle of this waffle, so you know, it makes it seem like you could pour all your syrup in there and it's like a little reservoir. Sweet cream waffle. Okay, that's really good. Not too sweet. I like the syrup they use too. I said this the last couple videos too, but they use like the natural syrup. It's not that disgusting corn syrup flavor, which really kills a pancake. I mean, well, any breakfast food, really. I like cutting all of it up at once, so then I could just enjoy it. I don't have to cut it. Oh, that waffle is really soft. It's really good. Got my fresh fruit here. Oof. That's really good. Oh man. Ooh. Look at that. The waffle's really soft. I've been eating well this whole week. All the free birthday stuff. I'm full already, man. Oh. I give this a 10 out of 10. I wish they would have put, well, hold on. Flavor is a 10 out of 10. Value, I'm gonna say, they should have put one more waffle in there. Because with the French toast, they give you 2 slices. The waffles, they give you 2 to 3 slices. I mean, pancakes, they give you 2 to 3 slices. So only to get 1 waffle kind of makes it, you know, seem more expensive, and it's around the same price. I'm gonna save the rest of this for later. I'm full. Flavor, value, like a 7. You know, for when you don't want to get Denny's and stuff. Like at that price, You know what? Actually, I'm gonna downgrade that. Value, I would say, is a 5. Because I could go to Denny's, I'll get. This was $12, but because I had my free birthday thing, it was free. I probably wouldn't pay $12 for that. I'd rather go to Denny's, and for like a couple bucks more, I could get a full omelet with it. And yeah, like breakfast places either usually give you, you know, for $15. Like with IHOP too, you get an omelet and you get a stack of pancakes, or you get, you know, for $15 you get an omelet and then you have to order it on the side. Like this place, I would have to order a $15 omelet and then like pancakes for like $12. So one breakfast is gonna be like $26-30. 26 to $30 for one person. That's a lot. And then yeah, you know what I mean? And I only get one waffle with that if I get a stack of pancakes. Value, I think they could do better. I'm gonna say that's a 5 out of 10. Taste is 10 out of 10. It's really good. I was surprised it was that good. The poached eggs, I like eggs. I've never had poached eggs before, but that was good. Yeah, if they add more waffles, I would crank up the volume. I mean, the value. Other than that, I would recommend it. You try something new, you know. It's good. It's Black Bear Diner. If you live in the Bay Area, I believe they have it in Utah too. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Hand sanitize like a mofo. Peace out.